Wheel bearings ensure smooth wheel rotation, reduce friction, improve handling, enhance safety, minimize noise, and support reliable, long-lasting vehicle performance. Today's video is about top 5 best wheel bearings for smooth performance that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at PM Auto Pair Wheel Hub Bearing. The PM Auto Pair of 2 front wheel hub bearing assembly is a dependable replacement option for restoring smooth and reliable performance to your Dodge Dakota. Designed for select 1997 to 2004 Dodge Dakota RWD models with 2-wheel ABS, this hub bearing assembly offers 100% fit accuracy, making installation straightforward when the correct vehicle compatibility is confirmed. Built as a brand new replacement, it helps eliminate common issues such as wheel noise, vibration, and loose steering caused by worn hub bearings. The assembly is engineered to meet OEM standards, providing stable wheel support and dependable performance for everyday driving. This pair replaces OEM part number 515032, making it an excellent value for drivers who need to replace both front wheel hub bearings at the same time. Before purchasing, it's important to verify your vehicle's fitment using the compatibility tool and review all fitment notes to ensure a perfect match. Overall, the PM Auto front wheel hub bearing assembly delivers solid durability, accurate fitment, and reliable performance, making it a practical and cost-effective upgrade for compatible Dodge Dakota owners. Now our second product is a premium rear wheel bearing and hub. The premium rear wheel bearing hub assembly is a reliable replacement designed for select 2012 to 2021 Subaru Forester, Impreza, Crosstrek, and 15 Crosstrek models. Built with high-quality GCR 15 and 65 mm steel, it delivers excellent strength and durability while handling both axial and radial loads for dependable everyday performance. This pre-greased hub assembly features a 5-lug design for whole flange and direct CV axle spline fit, making installation easier and ensuring compatibility with your existing brake rotor, wheels, and lug nuts. It is an ideal solution for replacing worn or rusted hub bearings that cause grinding noises, steering vibrations, or grease leaks. With brand new internal components, including the bearing cage, seals, and CV axle spline, this assembly helps restore smooth wheel rotation and stable handling. Although it does not include a speed sensor, it matches OEM reference number 512518-28473FJ020 for accurate fitment. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, the premium wheel bearing hub assembly offers dependable quality, long-lasting performance, and excellent value for compatible Subaru owners. Our third product is Detroit Front Wheel Bearing Hub. The front wheel bearing hub assembly is a dependable replacement for 2017 to 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4WD and F-350 Super Duty 4WD with single rear wheels, SRW. Engineered to meet OEM specifications, this hub assembly provides a precise fit and dependable performance, making it an excellent solution for restoring your truck's steering stability and wheel operation. The kit includes one front wheel bearing hub assembly that fits either the left or right side. It features an 8-lug design, square flange, and an integrated ABS sensor wire for reliable braking system compatibility and smooth operation. Built for durability, this hub assembly undergoes impact, wear, and fatigue testing to ensure it can withstand demanding driving conditions, whether you're towing, hauling, or commuting. It also replaces popular OEM part numbers 5151A3, BR930963, HA590722, and WE61854. Making it a convenient direct replacement. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this wheel bearing hub assembly offers long-lasting reliability, excellent value, and peace of mind for Ford Super Duty owners seeking a high-quality replacement. Now number 4, Parrot Rear Wheel Hub and Bearing. The Massel 512360 wheel hub bearing assembly is a reliable replacement designed for 2008 to 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, 2008 to 2012 Chrysler Town & Country, and 2009 to 2012 VW Routan models. Engineered to meet OEM quality standards, this hub assembly delivers a precise fit and dependable performance for everyday driving. Its primary function is to securely support the vehicle's weight while ensuring smooth and accurate wheel rotation. Replacing a worn hub bearing can help eliminate excessive noise, vibration, and unstable handling, restoring a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Constructed from premium quality materials, the assembly undergoes rigorous testing to verify its strength, durability, and long-term reliability. For the best results, buyers should confirm compatibility using the Amazon Fitment filter and review all vehicle notes before ordering. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Massel wheel hub bearing assembly provides added confidence and dependable customer support. Overall, it's a cost-effective, high-quality replacement that offers lasting performance and excellent value for compatible Dodge, Chrysler, and Volkswagen vehicles. And our last choice is Bethand front wheel hub and bearing. The front wheel bearing hub assembly is a premium replacement designed for select 2007 to 2019 Nissan and Infiniti models, including the Altima, Maxima, Murano, Pathfinder, JX35, and QX60. Built to replace OEM part numbers 513296, 40202JA100, and 40202JA100, it provides precise fitment and dependable performance. Engineered with a 5-bolt lug pattern, 32 spline axle teeth, and a 4-hole flange, this hub assembly also supports the integrated ABS sensor, ensuring seamless compatibility with your vehicle's braking and safety systems. Constructed from high-grade materials, it offers excellent durability, smooth wheel rotation, and reliable handling under everyday driving conditions. Manufactured in IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified facilities, the assembly meets strict automotive quality standards for consistent performance. Every unit is rigorously tested using professional DV Canada equipment to verify noise-free operation, proper alignment, and long-lasting reliability. Overall, this wheel bearing hub assembly is a durable, high-quality replacement that restores smooth performance, enhances driving stability, and provides excellent value for compatible Nissan and Infiniti owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.